Ladies and gentlemen, we are with your best player of the game of this Metro Chinoy Basketball League Season 9 Finals. Game 2, Mr. Andrew Sim, garnering 18 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 4 steals. First of all, sir, congratulations for that great win. Kagaya nga nung sinabi mo kanina when we had the interview, tiwala and that championship poise. So what do you think differ from this game? It's the same story. You've held on to that lead, but it's a different result and it favored your way. So ano po ang masasabi po ninyo sa larong ito?
Mahirap kalaban yung general. Depensa lang talaga. Doon kami umaasa na depensa talaga. Katulad na sabi ko kanina sa interview, runs of the games. So, nataon sa dulo sa amin naman napunta. Sa game 1 sa kanila napunta. So magandang laban tingin ko yung game 3.
Thank you, sir. And what came into your mind? Because General Barberia got, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 5 point advantage at the start of the fourth quarter. So, paano po kayo nagkaroon ng adjustment at the start of the fourth?
Feeling ko mindset-wise, never say die mindset kami. The whole team, from even during the eliminations, never say die. Yun talaga yung mindset namin. So, kahit na lumamang sila, at the end of, paminsan mas lalo dun kami ginaganahan na dumipensa. May kita mo naman talagang press kung press, habol kung habol. So, swerte lang nanalo by 1 point.
Thank you, sir. And last question, yung Force A Decider, ano pa po ang aabangan namin sa inyong koponan at kay Mr. Andrew Sim?
Tingin ko sa aabangan, feeling ko game 3 mas maraming technical, mas maraming magkakainitan ng ulo kasi syempre, yan na, do or die, kung sino talaga manalo, siya yung magcha-champion. So, mahirap magsalita eh. Tingnan na lang natin. I'm sure both teams will come prepared. So, let's see.
Pero po ba kayong gustong i-shout out?
Shoutout lang sa family ko, sa wife ko, sa 2 kids ko, sa buong Imana team, sa family, sa supporters na nandito, sa mga friends ko. Alam nyo na, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, your best player of the game, Mr. Andrew Sim. Congratulations to Imana team.